We're just going to do a quick overview of some things you might want to add to your first aid kit for multi-day wilderness outings, things to deal with the COVID. Of course, becoming symptomatic of anything when you're days away from definitive medical care is always scary, but doubly so when it comes to the COVID. Let's take a look at a few things you might want to add to your first aid kit. Gloves have been a staple included in just about every first aid kit because of bloodborne pathogens. But now we need to be worried about respiratory-borne illnesses. So a couple of simple masks, light and small enough to put in any kit, are now prudent. And though they can be improvised with bandanas and stuff, an ear loop mask will be easier to put on to an incapacitated patient. You should carry a handful of gloves and at least 2 masks, one for you and one for them. Your goggles or glasses will complete your face and eye protection. For long group trips, you may want some diagnostics to help avoid any spread amongst your party. A thermometer, even a disposable one, is always a good idea, but it also helps diagnose COVID. So some kind of mini thermometer is good. You combine that with apparent symptoms and high temperature with low blood oxygen level, and you've got a good field diagnosis to assume COVID infection. A pulse oximeter is going to be helpful to give you blood oxygen and continuous pulse readings. Then, there are not really good over-the-counter options for treatment, but stay hydrated, rest, drink hot tea with honey, and children should not try honey, and medications like Tylenol, Advil, and NyQuil, severe cold and flu, may help, and possibly just enough to get them home or closer to rescue. Lastly, you'll probably want some more alcohol spray and wipes for cleanup. With all of this, you've got about the best we can expect from a small wilderness kit. Well, I hope this helps. If you want more practical know-how, check out my online classes at hikingshack.com. These are comprehensive classes that you can participate in from home. Hands-on training in emergency preparedness, backpacking, first aid, and more. hikingshack.com. Be safe.